Did you know you can copy and paste your Google Sheets or Excel data into Visor? Here's how to do it in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Create a new workbook in Visor and title your columns with the same headings so that they match your external data. Next, click the File menu, then select Import Records. Clicking on either Google Sheets or Excel will prompt you with a reminder pop-up. Step 3. Now you're ready to copy and paste. Select everything you want to copy and paste into Visor except your headers, since you already created your headers in step number 1. Step 4. Now head back to Visor. Click the top left cell under the first column header and use either Command-V or Control-V, depending on your computer, to paste the data into Visor. Step 5. If you want to copy from multiple spreadsheets, just paste the data from your subsequent spreadsheets in an empty cell of the first column in Visor, below your existing data. And that's it. Now you have all the data you need in one place with Visor.